In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency display on Tripadvisor.com. Whether you're planning a trip or simply browsing for travel inspiration, having prices in your preferred currency can make a world of difference in understanding the value of accommodations, flights, and activities. So, let's dive into the process to ensure you're not left guessing exchange rates. First, you'll need to head over to Tripadvisor.com. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the website address. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a plethora of travel options ranging from hotel bookings to restaurant reviews. If you're like most of us, your eyes might get drawn to all the fascinating destinations and experiences you see on the homepage. But for now, let's stay focused on our task. Now take your time to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This is where you'll typically find various links and options that aren't immediately obvious up top. Keep an eye out for the small print where details such as company information, investor relations, and customer service links usually reside. This section may look like a technicality, but it's a treasure trove of settings for personalizing your browsing experience. As you reach the bottom, look for a currency drop-down menu. This is usually indicated by a currency symbol that might include a dollar sign, euro symbol, pound sign, and so on. The placement can vary slightly based on updates to the site design, but should still be in the general vicinity among language settings or country selectors. Once you've found it, hover over the currency symbol. Clicking on the currency drop-down will reveal a list of available currencies that Tripadvisor supports. You might see an impressive range of global currencies to choose from, designed to cater to Tripadvisor's diverse user base. Here's a handy tip. If you often use sites that involve currency selections, it might be beneficial to familiarize yourself with the symbol or code of your desired currency to make choosing it quicker in the future. Go ahead and select your preferred currency from this list. Simply scrolling through the options and clicking on the currency of your choice will set your preference. Tripadvisor then recognizes this selection and immediately starts adapting the price displays across the site to reflect your chosen currency. This seamless switch, though subtle, significantly enhances your browsing experience by removing the need for mental currency conversions. The page will reload automatically once you make your selection. And just like that, prices across the site will now reflect your selected currency. You can proceed with exploring deals and comparing prices with newfound ease and accuracy. This simple adjustment makes it easier to budget and plan your trip efficiently, ensuring you're always aware of the true cost in familiar figures. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully personalized your Tripadvisor experience to better meet your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy traveling.